Welcome back, camping enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to be checking out the best Garmin watch for running that you can buy today. Think of Garmin and you'll almost certainly think of sports watches, especially running watches, and it's no wonder. The company's products are known for delivering the things athletes care about: durability, accuracy, and heaps of stats. Our team of camping experts have spent hours researching and testing Garmin running watches. These are listed in order based on performance, quality, and price, and there is an option for every type of camper. So if you're looking for the best Garmin watch for running, we'll have the product for you in this list. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which are in your budget range. Now let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Garmin Forerunner 55. The Forerunner 55 is a great running watch, even though it's touted as a basic or beginner's watch. The 55 is slightly smaller than the other Forerunner models, but still packs a respectable battery life that will get you through a week of runs between charges, a wrist-based heart rate monitor, and smartwatch functionality. But to save money, you're giving up advanced sensors like pulse oximeter and barometer, plus advanced training analytics like virtual partner, live segments, and running dynamics, stride length for example. Then again, I can't tell you the last time I used any of those features on the Fenix, so maybe this is as much watch as any of us truly needs. The pros are, it's affordable, and it has smartwatch functionality. However, the advanced training options are limited. And at number 4 is the Garmin Forerunner 255. The Forerunner 255 is Garmin's best all-around watch, along with an accurate GPS, long-lasting battery, and the ability to track many types of workouts. The watch features the same fitness metrics as Garmin's latest higher-end watches: training status to track progress, training load to see workouts over a 7-day period, and training effect to measure anaerobic and aerobic. It also supports sleep, stress, blood oxygen saturation, and menstrual cycle tracking. The newly updated Forerunner 255 also has the ability to track triathlon and multisport activities. The pros are, it has accurate GPS. It has multisport and triathlon modes. You can add music if you want to. It has a good battery life. And it has the Garmin Elevate V4 sensor. However, there is no touchscreen, and it lacks Garmin's training readiness score. The third product on our list is the Garmin Forerunner 955 Solar. The Forerunner 955 has been updated to be more accurate than ever, thanks to multi-band reception. This allows the watch to receive 2 signals from a satellite and filter out any that may have bounced or is inaccurate. It leads to better pace estimates on your run and cleaner maps when you upload to your favorite digital training platform. Another great new feature to this triathlon-friendly watch is a solar panel built into the watch face, which can give you an extra 7 hours of run time, assuming you're outside in the sun for 3 hours a day. The color maps are another handy feature. They help you find your way around new cities without getting lost. You can even generate round-trip courses on the fly, no computer required. The pros are, it has accurate satellite reception, it has solar charging, and it has maps with road names. However, the multi-band significantly reduces battery life. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. And at number 2 on the list is the Garmin Epix Gen 2. The Garmin Epix smartwatch is epic in just about every way. Its design, its display, its battery life are all superlative. While not the first of the company's devices with an AMOLED display, it's their highest-end model to sport this feature, so that also means you're getting absurdly long battery life, the ability to track almost every activity, onboard music storage, mobile payments, and much more. If you like the sound of the Fenix 7 but fancy something that looks a little more beautiful on your wrist, the Epix Gen 2 is the watch for you. The 1.3-inch AMOLED touchscreen is wonderfully bright and easy to read, even in direct sunlight. When it comes to health and fitness tracking, the Garmin Epix's features are identical to that of the Fenix 7, in that it can track just about everything. In addition to a heart rate monitor, the Epix 2 has a blood oxygen sensor that can keep tabs on your levels throughout the day, as well as perform on-the-spot checks. All in all, this is a fantastic watch and built for adventurers. The main difference between the Fenix 7 and the Epix 2 is the battery life. In expedition mode, the Fenix can last up to 40 days or 74 days with solar, whereas the Epix will wind down after just 14 days. The pros are, It has a gorgeous design with a bright display. It has a long battery life and lots of tracking features. However, it's expensive, and it only comes in one size. The best Garmin watch for running is the Garmin Fenix 7X Sapphire Solar. The Garmin Fenix 7 is a rugged watch for outdoor adventurers. The device supports everyday fitness activities such as running and swimming, and it comes with Garmin's typical health tracking features. But it's really designed for anyone who gets an adrenaline rush from scuba diving, backcountry skiing, or a multi-day hike deep in the wilderness. Make no mistake, with a weight that starts at 2 ounces for the standard Fenix 7S and tops out at 3.1 ounces for the Fenix 7X Sapphire Solar Edition, this watch is a beast. But the trade-off is storage, battery life, and water resistance up to 100 meters. It's also easy to swap out bands, no small thing if you've just spent days in the woods without a shower. The Fenix 7 has one major improvement on the Fenix 6, a touchscreen. The screen is super responsive, even when being used in the rain, and makes moving around and customizing the watch a lot easier. There's also a new stamina metric, and the watches come loaded with more maps and sports tracking modes than ever before. It's a brilliant watch, and you'll be hard-pressed to find a fitness tracker with a better battery life. The pros are, the battery can last for weeks. It's packed with features, and it has 64 megabytes of storage. However, it's very large. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.